Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to change network 4G to 5G in iPhone. So this only works on iPhone that supports 5G and on networks that support 5G. So if your mobile network provider does not support 5G, 5G will not function on your iPhone, but if it does, you can easily change network from 4G to 5G easily and start using 5G on your phone. So if you love this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change network 4G to 5G in iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Tap Software Updates and search for available software updates to update the latest version of the software you have. So you need to upgrade to the latest software update so that you will be able to use the 5G Auto or 5G On on your iPhone. Then go ahead, tap Update. Now download and install the latest update on your iPhone. Now once you've updated your iPhone, go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service or cellular service. Turn on mobile data. Then once you enable mobile data, come here and tap mobile data options. Then click on voice and data and choose 5G Auto. If you already selected LTE, then come here and choose 5G Auto. Then once you selected 5G Auto, come here and turn on VoLTE. And once you're good, then whenever you get to an area where there is a 5G network on your iPhone, then you'll be able to use the 5G. So that is basically how to change network 4G to 5G in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.